Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a second look using the new eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, which is the Empowered eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties, I'm so excited to be doing this video. I kind of missed it. I took a little break just because about a week ago I woke up with my left eye a little bit swollen. I'm not sure what happened. I did try to film, which I did, and which was my previous video, which was my neutral eye look with using the Pat McGrath Nirvana eyeshadow palette. But man, I don't know. I maybe I shouldn't have done it, but I don't know. I tried to film, but yeah, no. My eye was so watery. It was so tender. Like, I don't know, and I can't honestly tell you what happened because it's just like I woke up that morning and my eye was just, you know, swollen and super red. And so I wanted to take a couple days of not filming, you know, to make sure my eye got better because your eyesight is important. You know, you get to, you know, see things, and yeah, I didn't want to add, you know, unnecessary makeup if I didn't have to. So I wanted to give myself a break. I didn't even wear contacts either. I wore my glasses, which I don't usually do. But yeah, that's why there was no Wednesday video. I tried to post this video yesterday, Friday, but I just had too much going on. One of my okay that's my eyelashes that fell. But yeah, my oldest was feeling a little sick, and you know, he likes to be cuddled up with his mama. So yeah, that's why you're getting a Saturday video. But yeah, videos should resume regularly coming this Monday. So yes, just a little, you know, explanation as to why I didn't post. I've been trying to post consistently, and I was so proud of that. So yeah, that was just a little disclaimer as to why I didn't post a Wednesday video. But yeah, anyways, back to the eyeshadow palette. So here we go. This is the palette I'm going to be using. I'm going to be doing another look with this palette. Off camera, I love this palette so much. But on camera, I've only used it once. So today we're going to change that, and we're going to do a look with it. So I think in my previous look, I used more of you know, like the browns and this like rose gold color. Today we're gonna play with the gold shades, which I haven't touched those. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. So far I already moisturized my face. I did my eyebrows per usual. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz to outline my eyebrows, and then I used the duo powder in the shade Ebony to fill them in. And then I carved out the bottom of my eyebrows and primed the lids with my MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre. And then of course I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes right now. And yeah, now we're gonna jump in with the palette. So for the eye look, let's see. Okay, so I am going to be grabbing a blending brush. I have on hand the Morphe Times Ariel brush. This is the 811, which is your typical blending brush, and I'm going to go into the color Let's go into Keep Going, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to apply that shade all over the crease. Now I'm going to grab the color Power, which is this shade right here, with the same blending brush, and I'm just going to use that color to blend out the edges up here because we don't want any harsh lines. So like so. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the shade Legacy, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to now use the Morphe times Ariel 820, which is a shader brush. It looks like a large shader brush, but the skinny version. And I'm going to use again the color Legacy, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to use this color in the outer part of my lid, so on this corner right here, and whatever is left on the brush I'm just going to bring it in to intensify the crease, but mostly I'm keeping the color out in this outer part right here, and then whatever is left I'll just bring it in. Now I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush and just run it through the crease to make sure that everything is blended with no additional product, with whatever's on the brush. And I'm just going to run it through my crease to make sure everything is blended. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna go in with one of these two shimmers, but I always use a glitter glue. So let's see. So right now I have on hand the Pat McGrath IntensifEYES Artistry wand. I have this. And I'm just gonna apply this to the this empty part of the lid, and I'm going to go into the color Limitless, which is this shade right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna apply the eye base. Okay. And now I'm going to use my finger. I always do. So I'm going to, again, grab the color Limitless, which is this right here. With my pinky finger, I'm just gonna, ooh, that's pretty. And I'm just gonna apply that shade all over the lid, basically. Wow, this shade looks foiled on the eyelid. How pretty is that? So pretty! Alrighty, now I'm gonna go back into the 820 brush, the one we use in this outer part of the crease, and with no additional product, I'm just gonna try and use whatever's on the brush to blend it into this yellow color, like so, or Limitless shade. Now I'm going to go into my blending brush, and I'm just going to run this brush through my crease to make sure that, again, everything is well blended. So I like this, but I think I want to add the shade Confident, which is this. It looks like a really dark either plum color, because I see like a red tone, or like a dark chocolate brown, but it's this shade right here, and I want to use a little bit of that shade in my inner corner, not inner corner, in the outer part of my lid. So like here, just the tiniest bit. I really want that gold shade to pop, so I feel if I add a little bit of this like dark plum color or burgundy, it'll make it pop even more. Okay, so I like the intensity. So now I'm just gonna run my blending brush one more time. Alrighty, so yeah, I like this so far. So now I'm gonna jump off camera. I'm gonna do liner. Not sure if I'm gonna do wings, just because, you know, I'm still taking care of my eye. I wanted to fully heal from whatever it is that was going on. So I think I'm just gonna apply mascara for this look and do my face, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. So hang tight. And I'm back. So this is the final look. Oh, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think it's so pretty. It's so timeless. I love the color. I love this gold. It's so pretty and sparkly. I'm pretty sure you can't tell through the camera, but in person it looks really nice. And I actually like that I'm not wearing lashes. I think it looks nice too. So yeah, I'm really happy with this eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I've really been enjoying it. And yeah, if you're in the market, you know, for a new eyeshadow palette, you know, I would definitely recommend this. Do you need it? No, I'm pretty sure you can go through your collection and find similar colors and come up with this eye look. But yeah, so yeah, this is the look for today. I'm happy to be filming. I'm so happy to be filming again. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and I keep repeating myself, but I really hope you enjoyed today's eye look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.